Nowadays, globalization had changed telecommunication needs to prime needs. Let's look back to the past. About 25 years ago, where pagers and handphones have just invented. At that time, pagers and handphones haven't become one of prime needs list. Only rich and business people could have it. But today, we can't find pagers anymore. And most people, like children to adult, poor to rich, all of them need handphones.
Indonesia have ever become the most BlackBerry user in the world. But however, the intelligence of fruit vendor is no match for the green robot vendor. On the other hand, Apple can only set their target on high-end people. The exclusiveness of iPhone and its overpriced product and their expensive good applications makes iPhone cover mid-low-end people, whereas the population of mid-low-end people in Indonesia is higher than high-end people.
Handphone's history are quite interesting, since Martin Cooper, one of Motorola employee, had invented handphone operating system and hardware. There were so many inventors appeared and invented the same project or even more sophisticated. We can take a look on Nokia 5190, which was the improvement of Martin's invention. That was a good start for Nokia to develop new devices. Nokia's most famous cell phones are Nokia 5190, 3315, 3100, 3650, and series and E-series. But Nokia finally was completed after it produced Nokia N900, which operated by MeeGo operating system. Nokia's sophistication doesn't mean anything right now. The world, especially Indonesia, is now dominated by smartphone trend. As you can see from its name, smartphone is an intelligent phone that can understand their own user.
Android, as the open source platform which has Green Robot logo, was marked as the most understanding phone. We can see at Sleep If You Can application. Using this application, users no need to worry about the problem of waking up from sleep. If we compare it with BlackBerry, users can easily turn off the alarm by pressing one button only. But Sleep If You Can application guarantee you can wake up by your own hand. Hi Fanny, how are you?
Hi Bill, I'm fine, thanks.
We all know you are Indonesia's Google publication. So we want to ask you some questions. How near Indonesia's branch with center branch?
Oh, so near. We are so near with them. As 5 top countries with using Android, we are well organized with them.
What is Google next plan in socialize this smartphone?
Our plan is making some development into another houseware product and transportation. For now, we have succeeded making smartphone and smart camera. Our plan is we will release Android Magic Jar or integrated rice cooker on September. We hope our product can make the entire life needs easier.
Okay, until when Google will developing product in Indonesia and in the world?
As the search engine and gadget producer, we will never end expanding our wings by dominating entire life needs.
Okay, thank you, Fanny.
Hello Shelly, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
I'm from Dual K magazine. I would like to ask you about your smartphone, can I?
Oh, sure.
Okay, what kind of smartphone do you use?
I'm using Android smartphone by Sony Xperia Solar.
why you use that smartphone?
Because Android is an open source smartphone and only has 5 years camera and bigger, so I kind of like it.
Oh, in your opinion, what are the advantages and disadvantages of your smartphone?
The advantages are that Android is an open source smartphone, so you can fully customize your phone, like the appearance, and you can use cute themes, or like you can download many kind of applications on Android smartphone.
Oh,
But the disadvantages are like if you can fully customize it, it will drain your battery faster than any smartphone.
okay. Why don't you use BlackBerry?
Oh, no, I don't
You don't like?
BlackBerry.
Oh, you don't like?
Because first BlackBerry is open source, and the only feature that BlackBerry has, I think, is only BlackBerry Messenger, and I don't think I really need it because in Android they already have like any messenger similar to BlackBerry Messenger, like WhatsApp, Line,
Yeah.
and the other.
Oh, I see. Okay, Sally. Thanks for the interview. Bye. Hello Mario, I'm Winda from Dual K Magazine. I would like to ask you about your smartphone, can I? What kind of smartphone do you use? Why you use that smartphone?
I use the smartphone because I like photography and my Xperia has 8 megapixel camera, so I can take so many good pictures with it.
In your opinion, what are the advantages and disadvantages of your smartphone?
I think the advantages are Android has so many good applications, and Android smartphone usually has perfect camera. But the disadvantages, I think Android has very poor battery.
Have you ever used BlackBerry?
Yes, I use BlackBerry until now.
So which one is better, Android or BlackBerry?
I prefer BlackBerry for communicating with friends, but for photography, I use Android.
I see. Okay, Mario, thank you for the interview. Bye.
Bye.